In a bold move that underscores its commitment to global markets, Chinese automaker BYD unveiled its first pickup truck, the BYD Shark, at an exclusive event in Mexico City. This marks the first time BYD has chosen a location outside China for a global debut, highlighting Mexico's strategic importance to the company's expansion plans amidst the burgeoning electric vehicle market in North America. The 2024 BYD Shark is designed to compete directly with established midsize trucks like the Ford Ranger, Chevrolet Colorado, Toyota Hilux, and Nissan Navara. Despite BYD's absence in the U.S. market, the Shark is poised to make a significant impact in regions where the pickup segment thrives, such as Latin America and Asia. Crafted under the direction of BYD's global design director, Wolfgang Egger, formerly of Alfa Romeo, Audi, and Lamborghini, the Shark boasts a robust and bold design. Its aesthetic borrows elements from the iconic Ford F-150 Lightning, featuring squared headlights, taillights, and a distinctive light bar that stretches across both the front and rear of the vehicle. The BYD name boldly stamped on the tailgate and grille is reminiscent of the Ford F-150 Raptor, cementing its rugged appeal. The design, inspired by the Oceanic Predator, after which it is named, incorporates a front rocker panel and wide wheel arches, adding a touch of ruggedness to its overall appearance. The 128.3-inch wheelbase is typical of mid-sized trucks, aiding in off-road capabilities while maintaining good vehicle proportions. Inside, the Shark offers a modern and stylish cabin with multiple color highlights accentuating key features. Rectangular air vents and center console toggle switches are accented in orange, with contrasting stitching enhancing the visual appeal of the seats, dashboard, and door panels. The interior is anchored by a rotative 12.8-inch screen that functions in both portrait and landscape modes and supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Additional driver-focused technologies include a 10.25-inch digital cluster and a 12-inch head-up display. Performance-wise, the Shark is powered by a 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with two electric motors, delivering a combined output of 430 horsepower. It boasts an EV-only range of 62 miles thanks to its 30 kilowatt-hour blade battery and can achieve a total range of 528 miles with a full tank and charged battery. The truck also supports fast charging, which can replenish the battery from 20 to 80% in about 30 minutes. Set to be initially manufactured in China, there are plans for a future production facility in Mexico. The BYD Shark will retail starting at $53,440 in Mexico, with two versions available, both equipped with the same robust powertrain. As BYD ventures into the competitive global pickup market, the Shark is definitely a newcomer worth watching.